In today's video, we will be showing you how to register a profile on AllSurplus. So you'd firstly have to go to allsurplus.com. Once you get to the website, you will click on register. You would have to complete this online form and also create your own username. So with regards to the username, it must contain a minimum of 5 letters or numbers, and it may include an underscore as a symbol. Kindly note that it will not recognize an @ symbol or an exclamation as such. You will then enter your email address, verify it, enter your first name, your last name, address, city, contact details, and then lastly, you can either subscribe or unsubscribe if you'd like. So this is to receive notifications on upcoming sales. If you do click on yes, it will give you a drop down with the various different categories which you can choose from to receive notifications of. Once you are done, you'll click on agree to the user agreement. Thereafter, you will receive an email notification to your email address that you've entered at the very start of this form. There, it will have a temporary password that will be emailed through to you. You will then use this temporary password and create your own password in order to access your account. Once that has been done, your account will be active and you can then browse or register for any of our other sales, current sales that we have on our marketplace. Thank you for watching.